CBS58 takes great pride in our partnership with the Wisconsin Humane Society. Every Tuesday, we feature a pet in need of a loving home. Angela Speed from the Wisconsin Humane Society's Milwaukee campus is here today with our Pet of the Week, and Dr. Jeff Minden is joining her this morning to talk about preventing some springtime injuries in pets. Thank you both for joining us. We'll talk about those injuries in just a moment, but first, we need to meet Sweetie. So precious.
She is such a doll. Sweetie is a 3-month-old terrier mix who's available today for adoption, along with her 2 siblings, too. So there's 3 of them. And she couldn't be better named. She is such an affectionate, sweet little girl. And I think she'll just thrive in a new home with a family. And she is just a beautiful girl, too, as you see. She's got little white socks, a beautiful coat. And a great demeanor. She's got such a wonderful personality, but when you do put her down on the ground with a few toys, she's very active, loves to play.
That's great. Well, you don't name a dog Sweetie if the dog isn't sweet. So absolutely adorable, and she's going to be available today. Is she available at the Milwaukee campus?
Yes, at the Milwaukee campus, and we open at noon.
Open at noon today. Okay, 414-ANIMALS, the number on your screen. You can always call to get more information. Also, Wisconsin Humane Society has a wonderful website, wihumane.org, where you can see Sweetie and a number of other pets as well. I hope she finds a great home. I kind of want to take her home. So cute. And Dr. Minden, we want to talk about some springtime injuries. There's one in particular that you want to talk about. What do you see this time of the year? It's warmer. We want to get out there and really get the pups to run around and play because it's so nice out.
Yeah, I think that probably one of the most common injuries that we see is what's called a cranial cruciate ligament injury in dogs. That would be analogous to an ACL in people. And what's important about this injury is that it actually is seen in all breeds, all sizes, occasionally even in cats. It's an injury that also presents itself either as very acute, very severe injury, which is easy to diagnose, but also can present itself chronically, where it's actually sort of an on-again, off-again sort of lameness. And those can be a little more difficult to diagnose because they're partial injuries, but they don't heal. And so what happens is you can end up having the patient actually get arthritis in their knee. And so I think it's really important for pet owners to know that if their pet is limping or lame, even though they don't cry or whine or complain too much, that actually is a sign that they are uncomfortable and that they should probably seek veterinary care to try to figure out what's going on.
So what can you do then to help?
Well,
surgery?
Yeah, actually, if we're making a diagnosis that this ligament is torn, it won't heal. And just like in people, they recommend surgery for the most part. And that's the same thing with pets as well. And there are different types of surgeries that we can perform. And so, again, it would be good to a veterinarian or a veterinary specialist. And there are occasions, though, where either a pet has a health issue or, financially there's some restrictions. And so there are also custom braces that can be made for dogs as well.
Real quickly, is there anything we can do to prevent those injuries?
Well, again, I think that, for certain dogs, unfortunately, I think their conformation things is going to preclude them to develop that. But I think, again, having things like swimming and lower impact type activities can help keep their muscles strong, and those sort of things are important.
Okay. All right. Good advice. Interesting information. Thank you so much. Thank you as well for coming in with Sweetie. Once again, 414-ANIMALS. Available starting at noon today. Oh, this is one of my favorites. I hate to say that. You never have favorites, right? But, oh, so cute. Time right now is 5:51. Weather and traffic on the ones here at CBS.